Hi friends, in this video we will learn about this keyword. We have a keyword called this. It specifies the current object. If you consider the A class, we have a two non-static variables and one static variable. So we have a set nums method that gonna set num1 value, num2 value. It is a non-static method, so non-static variables can be accessible here. And we have another non-static method print nums, that is it is going to print it. We are creating an object of A and we are calling a set nums with 1 comma 2 values. What it is going to do, so it comes to the set nums method, and in num1 we have a 1, num2 we have a 2. Num1 equal to num2, it will set this num1 value to this num1, num2 value to this num2 value. But is it setting to this num1, this num2? No, obviously it will not set, because these are local variable to this particular method. When there are local variables names are same with the class level variables, then the method will always gives preference to the local variables. That means this is the local variable, so both this num1 is nothing, refers to only local variables. This is not referring to this num1, this is not referring to this num1. So if you don't believe, let's execute. So I am setting the nums, after that I am printing. That means it should print num1 num2 as 1 comma 2, right? But it will not print. Run this, you can see it is printing 0 0 because it is not setting actually. So in order to set that, we need to use, so this keyword we can use to specify this particular object. Similarly here also this keyword we need to use to set this. So you can observe that color also modified. That means this num1 is referring to this num1, this num2 is referring to this num2. So this keyword is used to specify the object. Set num1 value to the current object num1 variable. Set num2 value to the current object num2 variable. You understood, right? Now if you execute it, you can get 1 2. You can see 1 2 as a output. That means it now it set the values to the num1 num2. So you understood this keyword is used to refer this particular object content. So not only variables, you can also make call to those methods as well. So you can see print nums is the non-static variable in class A, and this is a method that we can call using this keyword. So similarly, any non-static variable methods, anything you can refer using this keyword in the same class. Hope you got it. And whenever constructor is overloaded, or in overloaded also we can use this particular keyword. This we can use to call same class constructor. That means let's say we have three constructors here. One is without parameters, that is nothing but default constructor. This is one parameterized constructor, this is one parameterized constructor. So we can make a call to the same class another constructor from one constructor. So you can see this last constructor, we have num1 num2. I can make a call to this constructor using this keyword. So this of, we need to provide the parameters, so we can do that actually. So it is actually referring this particular constructor with one parameter. If you are removing this parameter, this is considering without parameter constructor. So this is how we can use this keyword in constructor overloading process. Hope you understood. This is all for this keyword. Please let me know if you have any concerns. I will address it. Thanks for watching.